Had a way to make it work and find another route.
Work it. Work it.
Woo! That was a good little morning workout, wasn't it? Vinegar water, Bragg's vinegar. That was a good workout. So I don't just do that. I also do, I told you I do crunches, planks, sit-ups, push-ups, and some other stuff. We got a little work to do, y'all, but I've been jogging. I haven't been able to like really run because it's so cold, and then no matter which park I go to, there's ice everywhere. But yeah, let me get my face cleaned off, y'all, right quick. Add my little stuff. How y'all doing today? Everybody doing all right? It is early a.m. I don't know what I'm gonna get into when I get off, but I hope everybody is having a great day and are enjoying all of the uploads. Just washing off my turmeric sugar scrub off my face. Y'all, look at his hair. Look at it. We're gonna do something different today, y'all, because it's cold. Now, I showed y'all I switched out my dime. There's no more dime in here, the dime Hyper Glow, but I have that other stuff that I told y'all I was gonna put in here. So, yeah. That's what we're doing right now. That's what we're doing right now. Oh. Simple. Let me know what is y'all's morning routine? What do y'all do? Y'all have like a simple regimen or what? I know some of y'all's probably ain't like mine, but you know, it is what it is. It is what it is. I try to do a couple of strokes of these a day in the daytime and at night. Well, in the morning time and at night. I need to brush my teeth. Girl, what is you doing? I forgot. Hold on. I actually need to find me some mouthwash. Even though, well, I could buy peroxide. I don't have any right now, but I want to try something that my son was telling me about. I don't know. I may go get it. I may go get it today if it's all possible, but yeah. everything is almost done, y'all. And this is my jojoba oil. I put it on my lips too. The lips need it, okay? Ugh. And then I'm doing something new with my hair today because I'm telling y'all, this winter will beat you up all over your skin, your hair. That's why I gotta get out of here. I gotta get out of Ohio. Lord, please make a way for me to get up out of here because I can't, I don't like it. Oh, I'm showing y'all my armpits, but guys, I have not shaved in years. I don't have no hair. I don't know, it's because I've been wearing natural stuff. I make my own deodorant and stuff. I use the native deodorant. I can show y'all which one I have. I probably showed y'all before, but this one's almost gone. But this is the native that I use. But anyway, probably too fast for y'all to get the fragrance. But anyway, since I was doing the, my natural deodorant, this is the natural deodorant right here. I think that had something to do with it, to be honest. Look at it, look at his hair, y'all, look. She's still holding on to the straightness, okay? But anyway, I think that has something to do with it, you know? So I'm just pulling the hair back today, y'all, for right now, until I decide what I'm gonna do. So we're gonna go get some clothes on, and I'm gonna have to hurry up and get up out of here. I just wanted to start off the video, and I'm gonna try to have it up for y'all either today or tomorrow. Let's go get started. All right, I'm about to click y'all off. I didn't even give y'all lift check. Look at that. Can y'all see it? Can y'all see it? There we are. Let me put the little thing on here. And yeah. Let's get to going. So for right now, that's what we got. Look at that. I like that though. Oh, let me see. We can put on something today, y'all. We could do a little something. I almost forgot. I told you I've been trying to do a little bit better at just applying a little bit of stuff. So we'll do 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the e.l.f. Halo Glow. I think I had said it was something else the last time, but that's what we're gonna put on. You know, little something. It don't really do much, but hey. Hey. And then I'm gonna do whatever this whatchamacallit is. And then we'll put a little something. My cheeks already gonna be red because it's so cold outside, okay? So there we go. Probably can't see anything because everything in here is really, really light. So, yeah. Put on some lipstick today. Y'all, this table comes in handy, okay? Seriously. I'm so glad I did get it because it can do many things. I've been loving this lipstick. Not every day, but I try to wear it when I can. All right, y'all, so yeah. Y'all notice my bag I've been carrying, my Liz Claiborne bag. Really nice. This logo right here, the Liz Claiborne. All right, y'all. I gotta make sure I blow this candle out before I leave too. Let me get ready to show y'all outfit of the day, but OOTD, I put this gray hat on. Well, not hat, it's a gray, what do y'all call this? It covers up your ears and the front of your hair. So since I got Mia on, or Maya, I can't remember her name, it's been so long, but since I have her on, I didn't even know it was gonna start snowing. And I actually was reading something on, something that came across my screen today, and it actually said, Chicago, Virginia, North Carolina was going to get like up to 14 inches of snow. So if y'all live in those areas, please be cautious. I'm telling y'all, if it get real bad, I'm leaving work early. I don't care. I don't do stuff like that. I don't play with my life. But anyway, this is my cap, my top, my sweatpants. This is like a little crop little thing, and then I have on my bear paws. Okay, and yeah, but y'all, I forgot I was switching things around for fall. And forgot to take these out of here. I think I'm just going to put them up. There's nowhere else to put them. And then also, y'all know I like my clear spaces. Minimalism is if y'all don't know by now, minimalism is the way of life. If you want some peace, some functionality in your life, y'all better get into the real meaning of minimalism. This lamp here, I already posted them, the one in my bedroom and this one. I'm actually just going to remove it. I don't care about it being decor. There ain't even no bulb in here, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and put this in the closet so it could be out of this space, because it's already posted, both of them. Yes, ma'am. So yeah, ain't nothing. Look at that. Look, that's fine just like that. Fine just like that. But I'm gonna catch back up with y'all. Let me put these things away, finish drinking my coffee, and I will see y'all, let me see, probably some hours later. All right. Y'all, it's so dark out here. I don't know if y'all can see me, but anyway, we about to go to Walmart. It's already like 5:30 and it's dark. You know, I don't like being outside in the dark. No, I don't like being outside when it's like, I don't know, it's something about the wintertime. Y'all let me know. It just seems like it's so much later and it really isn't. But I had a great day, and I'm gonna catch y'all later on. Once I get home, let me pay attention to the traffic. That's all over the place. All right, I'll be back, y'all. Hang all the mistletoe. Yeah, yep, exactly. Exactly. What you say?
I said this is all put together and
Yeah.
brand new in the box.
Exactly. You too. Okay, clearly this lady was talking my head off, y'all, but I just came in here before we wanted to go to Walmart, and just to show y'all what they have, which they don't have much. I did not buy one single thing, but it felt good just to look. Okay, let's continue with the video. Why do they have like all the protein stuff? Why is everything locked up like the protein powders? They got locks on here. What the hell? Y'all be stealing the protein powder? Y'all be stealing the protein powder. Oh my goodness. But I came in here to see what they have, and then I'll probably do a little haul or something once I get home. Y'all, they going crazy in this Walmart. Look, if y'all looking for a coffee, look, this is $75 for an espresso. They got plenty over here, but I'm not sure. They have an extra, they got one right here too. I think it's two here. That's if y'all in my area, but yeah.
Did my future baby daddy just tell me that he met a girlfriend the year he's supposed to give me a baby?
Hey y'all.
I'm sorry.
I have fell asleep on y'all. I'm so sorry, but I am home. I am tired. When I say tired, I'm tired. I'm ready to throw this wig off, put it in the closet, and yeah, I need to. Y'all look at this. Do y'all see this? Let me really show y'all. Look at this. This whole nail is coming off, y'all. My nail has not been this short in forever. It's some of my meat on it. But anyway, I need my I need to find my clippers, the thick ones, to get this off. But yeah, guys, I'm just sitting back, relaxing. Had to take a nap because I needed it. Oh. I know I got my clippers in here somewhere. Yeah, I got them. I got all kinds of stuff up in here. I need these to take that off. I need the big ones. Okay, let's see. I don't know how we're going to do this. Let me see if I can bring y'all with me while I cut this off. Oh my gosh. Hold on. Ooh. Oh my God. I do not like breaking my nails, y'all. Look at that. Ooh. Come on now. Y'all see that? Oh my God. That's the longest my nail ever been. God, dog it. This is a mess. Okay, there we go. I don't mean to give y'all the finger. Look how long that is though. Oh my God. Let me go ahead and just show y'all what I got from Walmart. And we're going to close out this video for sure, so I can finish. I was watching a movie until I fell asleep. So yeah, let's go find out what we picked up today. I even forgot to take my vitamins this morning, but I just picked up this, y'all. Walmart had this on sale for $6 and some change. So I got that, and then I end up getting some decaf folders because Dollar Tree don't sell it. Not Dollar Tree. Some store was getting it. It was like 99 cents. My local grocery store, they don't have it. No. I mean, they have it, but it didn't went up. So I think this was like $1.36. And then I got, this is the stuff I was talking about. Now, this was a deal. This was $7.37. But yeah, and this is the Rainforest Mint. So some of y'all probably already used this. But anyway, y'all, that's going to do it for me. I will see y'all in the next vlog. Always remember to do what? Love yourself so you can love others. So this world will be a much better place. I'm ready to take this wig off.